Assalamu alaikum. What's up, guys? So in this video, we are gonna have a look at navigation drawer in Flutter. I have already made an application like this. So in this video, we will redesign this application. So let's get back to the implementation part. Drawer also comes under the scaffold field. So let's start implementing that. Under drawer, write the drawer. In the child parameter, write drawer header. Excuse me. Assign a column to that, and under the column add user picture, which would take parameters of account name, account email, which is fixed. Let's assign in the account name text hello Flutter. Let's give it a style. Oh, font size of 21. So let's reload the app. So it's looking a bit ugly. Let's set the padding height to 0. First assign account picture. Circle avatar. Background color should be white, and under the child assign the Flutter logo. Give a size if you want, and set the padding to as in sets.0. Let's reload the app. Now it's looking good. Let's change this background color. Copy this color, and under the box decoration apply this color. Now it's looking better. Let's say I want to make the drawer edges round. So what I will do is I will wrap this drawer widget with a clip rect part, and under the clip rect make sure you add the clip rect with double R. So it would give you a border radius, and under the border radius dot only, so it would be top right and it would be bottom right. For top right, border radius dot circular, let's make it to 70. I think I've made some mistake here. Radius dot circular and then 70. Yes, now it's fixed. Do the same for bottom right. Let's reload the app. So it's looking good right now. So let's apply a list view builder here. Okay, so add the list view dot builder, which would take the two important parameters, item length, let's say 15, item builder, pass the context here and add an index parameter. Return a list style. Under the leading property, let's assign an icon. Icons dot book, title, Flutter series, and assign an index. Under the trailing part, let's assign another icon, icons dot arrow. Let's reload the app. So now it would give you an error. The reason for the error is that when we applied the list view builder property, the widget rendered out of its boundary. To fix this, we'll use the expanded property, which will fit the child with its parent. And list view builder has also a property of shrink wrap. Now when you hot reload the app, it will fix the error. So let's restart. As you can see, the error has been fixed. So now by clicking any of the text, I need this text to be displayed in the center of the screen. So how will we do that? Let's declare a variable of type string value, and the initial basis set it to empty. Add center, and let's assign text to the center. Assign this value, and on the on tab property of list style, set state. Let's add value tabbed and pass this index. Restart the application and check whether we've implemented successfully. So now when I tab any of the index, sorry, we forgot to add the navigator.pop. Let's assign a style property for better view, font size 21, and reload the app. Let's say I tapped, so it's working properly. So that's all from this video, guys. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and for more amazing content, please hit that like button. Stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching this video.